1 year ago, we joined Groundworks. We came in with one mindset. We will win. This is our story. One year ago, I made the decision to join Groundworks. We were just hovering. The business needed to grow. I couldn't get it there. I'd seen other branches skyrocket, and I thought it was our time to take off.
Groundworks has invested in Toronto immensely, and it's obvious. They've given us all the resources, tools we need to be successful, and the proof is in the pudding.
New materials, the new trucks, tools.
I've seen a huge uptick in our safety protocols.
The best thing that Groundworks has been able to provide here in Toronto is proven roadmap of how to win in a market, and then you just put all the backing and support behind it. We can just take off from here.
We didn't think we could do it, and they're already doing it.
We've tripled our CFIs and our crews.
With Groundworks, we've been able to achieve just over $8 million in sales.
We really didn't have a lot of jobs on the calendar. Post-merge, our calendars almost filled up immediately.
You know, for a 30-year-old business, that type of growth is absolutely incredible.
Being an owner at Groundworks allows us to be part of the big picture.
Knowing that our time and efforts investing in the future for ourselves, as well as the whole company.
We never had ownership here. Now you are part of a company that you don't want to falter. It gives you something to work for.
Within the first 5 months, I was able to become a site super.
It gives you a drive. Come Christmas time, I'm going to be putting a down payment on a chunk of land, building the dream life I've always wanted to have.
There's always something that's available to make you better, and you have to make yourself better.
As we move into years 2, 3, and beyond, where we're able to double down, triple down on performance and really reap the benefits of those early investments.
If you thought we grew last year, we're going to grow even more next year.